Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. As you all know children, we have started our second lesson, that is keeping healthy. So let's continue our topic. Before starting our today's topic, let's have a quick recap of our previous topic. So in our previous topic we have seen the components of food. So in that what it comes, the proteins, fats, minerals, carbohydrates, all this we have seen. So you all know that proteins are nothing but it build our body and help it to grow. Yes. And then we have seen the carbohydrates are the most important source of our body energy source. Yes. And why our body needs all this to function properly. All the body functions such as breathing, blood circulation, digestion, all these are taking place, yes, with the help of these carbohydrates. So we need energy to do various physical activities such as running, jumping, playing football, or lifting weights. We also need energy to perform mental activities. So from where we are getting this energy? Obviously from the carbohydrates, and mostly these carbohydrates in which food it found? Wheat, rice, corn, fruits, potato, and honey are the sources of carbohydrates. Then we have seen the fats. Fats are nothing but it uses the most fat. The body uses most fat to maintain its temperature. Yes, fats provide the food with high energy. So this will we have to take the fat, but in very small quantity. So when we eat more fats, what happened? Our body needs to, what happened? The excess fat gets stored in our body, and that leads to unwelcome medical condition, that is obesity. So our next nutrient in the food is the vitamins and minerals. So vitamins and minerals keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables are rich sources of vitamins and minerals, as you can see in the picture children. Yes, all these fruits and vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. So vitamin C keeps the gums healthy and helps the body absorb iron. Now what is the use of vitamin D? So it works with calcium and phosphorus to make strong teeth as well as the strong bones. Okay, and vitamin D helps in healing of wounds by clotting blood. So if you fall down and then what happens, any cutting have been occurred, so vitamin D helps in the healing of that wounds. The other vitamins are E, A, E, and B complex. Next one is the minerals. Minerals serves as variety of purpose such as calcium, calcium, iron, and iodine. For example, it helps the blood. It helps the build the strong bones and teeth. It also helps in blood clotting, as I told you now. Yes, blood clotting stops the loss of blood in case of injury to blood vessels. Now, what is the use of iron? These are the benefits of iron. It needs to build the red blood cells and carry oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the cells. With the help of iron only, this transportation will be occur in our body. Yes, that is, they carry the oxygen from the lungs to other body parts. Other minerals important for the human body include iodine, magnesium, sodium, potassium, zinc. All these items, all these minerals are important for our human body. That's it. Then we'll start our today's topic, that is nothing but what you can see here. Yes, a glass of water. Yes, so water. What's our today's topic? Water. As you all know children, that water makes up to about 60% of an adult's body weight. Yes, and we can a body can survive for weeks without food, but only days without water. So most of our body needs water to function properly, as you can see here. So all these are the body organs. Yes, most of our body organs need water to function properly. Kidneys, lymph, all this, bones, muscles, liver, skin, all these are body organs which need the water to function. Okay, water helps maintain our body temperature. So it also helps the body get rid of waste in the form of urine as well as the sweat, as you all know. So we lose a lot of water through sweat and urine. So what we have to do to compensate this loss? We must drink more and more water at regular intervals. The doctors also advise to drink more, about 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Yes or no? Are you drinking all the 6 or 8 glasses of water in a whole day? So just once you see that, observe it. That next one is the roughage. Roughage is nothing but it helps the movement of food through digestive tract. So first of all, what is meant by the roughage? It's nothing but the it's a dietary fiber. It is not digested by our body. Okay, that won't be digested by our body. So it is essential part of our diet. It makes the movement of food in the digestive tract. It helps also our body to get rid of undigested food, fresh, as this will be found in the fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, as well as in nuts also. They are rich in sources of roughage. So these are the fiber rich diet you can see here. So what happens if a lack of fiber in our diet can result in constipation? Yes, we'll get other types of problems, other types of diseases also will get. So we should not lack of these fibers. Next one topic is balanced diet. So balanced diet. Can you see everyone here the picture? This is called the pyramid. Okay, food pyramid. So all the food items may not contain all the nutrients. As you can see, all this will have the nutrients in them. It's the certain foods, yes, only the certain foods may be rich in one nutrient but might lack other nutrients. The best way to eat is to include a variety of food in our diet. Now you see this pyramid, and what's this and the difference between these two pyramids, you can just clearly understand that. Yes, unhealthy food and this one is the healthy. The best way to eat is to include variety of foods in our diet to ensure that we receive all the nutrients. So we have to see whether all the nutrients have been received or not with our foods or not. Okay, now let it look at the food pyramid shown here everyone. It shows different food groups arranged in the shape of pyramid or triangle. Yes, all the food items have been arranged in the shape of pyramid. This is called shape of pyramid. Okay, as well as the triangle also will say. Yes, so foods are arranged in that. So what it has recommended that we eat more food from the food groups at the bottom. The food groups at the top has to be consumed in very less. As you can see, this one we have to eat more, and the which is at the top we have to eat in a small quantity. So we should always take a balanced diet that contains, you can pause my video and just see whether you are taking in more quantity and which one you are taking in less quantity. Fats, oil and all this should be taken in a small quantity. Yes, and the grains, vegetables, milk, all these items should be taken in the moderate quantity as well as more. And then we should always take a balanced diet that contains food from each food group in right amount. So what do you mean by balanced diet? A diet that provides our body with all the essential nutrients in right amount. That is nothing but balanced diet. If we won't take balanced diet, what happen? We won't be fit. Yes, we'll be every time feeling sick. Yes, so it's important to take the balanced diet. Otherwise, we'll be getting many types of diseases. Next one is the deficiency diseases. What do you mean by deficiency diseases? Diseases that is caused by insufficient supply of nutrients in our body. As you all know, vitamins and minerals keeps us healthy and protects us from bad organisms or microbes. Yes, even though we have to take the small amount of vitamins and minerals. If we can get sick, if you want to get, we should not take them. Okay. So what happens if an insufficient supply of vitamins and minerals in our body occurs? Then that causes diseases. That diseases are known as deficiency diseases. Next, you can see this one here. So vitamin A. So what is the deficiency disease? So you'll get night blindness, unable to see at night. Yes. Then what are the symptoms for that? Poor night visions, as you can see here also. So which type of food you can take? Leafy vegetables, carrot, all this you have to take. And vitamin B is beriberi. Deficiency disease, if you won't take vitamin D, if lack of vitamin D is there in your body, so you'll get a disease that is beriberi. So what are the symptoms? How you will feel? You will feel weak, muscles will be there. Okay, and the nerves, frequent muscles cramps will be there, and tiredness. So which type of food you have to eat? Sprouts, all this. So you can pause my video and just go through all this. And vitamin C deficiency disease, scurvy, and vitamin D rickets. And which type of food you can take?